Are you confused to choose between lithium ion and lithium polymer batteries for your drone and RCs? In this video, we'll break down the differences, features, and the best uses for each type, helping you to make the best choice for your drone and RC needs. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to give a detailed and comprehensive review on lithium ion and lithium polymer batteries for drones and RCs. By the end of this video, you will know how to use a lithium polymer and lithium ion batteries, what features lithium ion and lithium polymer have, and how to choose the right battery for your drone and RC needs. We have already made a video and detailed blog on ProRange lithium ion batteries which covers features, lineup, variety and making process. If you haven't watched it, check it out. Why is it important to select the proper battery for drone and RCs? Is lithium ion better than lithium polymer? Which is best? The answer to this question is not straight and simple, and we need to understand the features of both type of batteries. So let's start with differentiating lithium ion and lithium polymer batteries. A lithium ion battery is a rechargeable battery that gained popularity in early 90s. It consists of three main components: a positive electrode, a negative electrode, and a liquid electrolyte between them. Most lithium ion batteries also include an electronic controller to regulate the power and prevent overheating or explosions, which is generally packed in a round robust casing, which sometimes makes them difficult to fit in the small drones. The most significant difference between lithium ion and lithium polymer batteries is the chemical electrolyte. In lithium polymer batteries, the electrolyte is not a liquid. Instead, it can be a dry solid, a porous chemical compound, or a gel-like substance. A gel-like electrolyte is the most common in newer laptops and electric cars. Both lithium ion and lithium polymer batteries have their pros and cons, which plays a significant role in RC and drone design and working. Lithium ion batteries provide high energy density with no memory effect and has lower cost than lithium polymer with efficient energy storage, which puts a good option in prototyping and testing of drones and RCs, where high energy density and stable supply voltage is required. However, lithium ion batteries have their own drawbacks. Lithium ion suffers from aging and has low discharge current rating, which makes them difficult to use for high-end applications like racing drones. Lithium polymer batteries can give a robust and flexible size shape with lightweight. Lithium polymer can be used in complex spaces and application where high C rating is required, like racing drones and racing RCs. Lithium polymer also has their own cons, like more costly to manufacture, provides low energy density with shorter lifespan compared to lithium ion. Lithium polymer suffers from puffing and swelling issues, so it is inappropriate to use it in the application where high energy density is required with long run and voltage stability like agricultural drone. What are the features of lithium ion batteries and lithium polymer batteries? When selecting a battery type for drone and RCs, consider the following features: energy density, C rating, flexibility, weight, cost, lifespan, and energy conversion. Lithium ion batteries offer high energy density, are budget friendly, customizable, lighter for large application, and have longer lifespan and efficient energy conversion. They operate well across a wide temperature range but have a slower charging duration and lower current discharge rating, making them ideal for high energy dense application. In contrast, lithium polymer batteries provide high current discharge rating, better capacity retention, flexibility in shape, and are lighter for small application, but they are costlier and drain faster. For high speed application, lithium polymer is preferable, while lithium ion suits high torque needs. For more details, please refer our blog, link is in the description. Now let's understand how to select a proper battery for your use. If you are looking for a battery for applications like drones and RCs, you should keep few points in your mind. Determine the voltage drone and RC requires, then assess the current need of your drone and RCs. Also consider the weight of the battery, especially for drone use, and ensure the battery fits your device size constraints. Check the current discharge rating of the battery if you want to use it in the speed drone and RC car, and choose a battery with an appropriate capacity for your drone and RC. That is, if you need more runtime and flight time, then choose high capacity battery, but it will eventually increase the weight of battery, which is crucial for drone, so choose the right capacity. Also consider the environment where battery will be used, like outdoor, indoor, air, ground. And if you are looking for a battery for drone, also consider the total weight of the drone and calculate the thrust required, which is the power needed to lift the drone. Still haven't got the answer which battery is best for drone and RC, lithium polymer or lithium ion? Then it might not be about which battery is best for your drone and RC, but which is better for your specific use. Both batteries have their pros and cons. It all depends on what you need. Considering all the factors, you should select the right battery for your use. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at lithium ion batteries and lithium polymer batteries and how to choose the right battery for your needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any further updates. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comment below. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.